Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing us how to prepare a multiplication table such as the one you are seeing right here using Microsoft Excel. Now, there are different ways you could go about this, but I'm going to show us how you can prepare this multiplication table without using any formula in Excel. All what we are going to use is just the autofill function. We are just going to be dragging and dragging and dragging. So this video is not going to be long. So I will teach us how to prepare a multiplication table, that multiplication table that's usually at the back of every exercise book using Microsoft Excel. And I'm going to be using just the Excel feature, this Excel feature that we call autofill. Now, if this is your first time watching this video, my name is Emmanuel. I'm a data analyst, an accountant, and a Microsoft Excel expert. So you can go check out the rest of my video. And if you are new to this channel, kindly please click on the subscribe button below this video so that you can get notified when I release other video. So you click on this subscribe button. Kindly please subscribe and like this video so as to encourage me to release more video content like this. Just go below this video in the description. You will see an icon called subscribe, just like the one you are seeing here. Just click on it, that's all, and like this video, share it, and God bless you. So let me show you how we can prepare a multiplication table using Excel. So the first thing you need to do is to type here multiplication table. So, and in the multiplication table we have one, we have one. Let's say we want to do multiplication table to 22, 3. Now we don't need all that. Just highlight from here. When you just highlight these 3, 1, 2, 3 that you have written, then drag it. Then when you have highlighted it, go to the edge of this box and drag. Can you see? You are seeing 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you now stop since you are seeing 20 on the screen, and you now leave your cursor. So you left click and drag. That's what I just did. So in the same vein, let's say we are targeting multiplication table to 12. So in the same vein, you are going to have 2. I'm supposed to type 1 to 12, so I'll just type 1 and 2, highlight it, then drag. Once I highlight the 2, 1 and 2, then I will just go to the edge of this box and I will see this, go to the edge of this box and it will change to plus, then drag it down. And you see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Since I'm interested in 12, whenever I see 12, I will stop. So left click and drag. So you now leave it. Now I will leave my cursor now. Can you see it has fill for me? So in the same vein, I need all the values that are here. So I will just put 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. I will just put it. Then 3 times 2 is 6. So enter. Then I will just highlight the 2. Once I highlight the 3, 2, 4 and 6, then left click and drag to fill for the rest. And you see, to fill for the rest, 20 times 2, 40, 19 times 2, 38. So to fill for the rest, your own is just to do little and tell us that. Now instead of me to do in the same way, I can do 2 times 3, 6. I can 2 times 3, 6. So the same way that we did the first one, I will just left click and drag it. It will fill for the rest. Now instead of me to continue to do these things, I will just highlight these 3 that I've done. Then left click. When I highlight this 3 that I've done, I'll come to the edge of this place, left click and drag everything down to where 12 is. Now we see it will fill. 20 times 12 is 240, just like we have in our multiplication table. Now the next thing we are going to do is to bold this, and the next thing I'm going to do is to bold this, and I want to reduce this column. So let me reduce this. Let me reduce this to this. Yeah, so I've reduced it. Now I can also reduce this, but instead of me to be reducing everything one by one, I will just click on this A, and I will look at the column width. Look at the column width. The column width is what? 4.57. Okay, I will note it here. Let me note it here. 4.57. That's the column width. So what I will just do is that I will just tap on this A and drag everything to this 20. Once I drag everything to this 20, I will just right click on it and then go to right click on it, then go to column width. Then I will just say 4.57, so that everything will be equal, not that some will be bigger, some column will be wider than others. So I will just say okay, and you see everything is now 4.57. Now the next thing I'll do is just to format this well, highlight everything, and come to here, this place that is center, so that I'll centralize it. I think that's all. So I will just come to this place that I have border and give it all border. Can we see it now? So that's just it. So here I will just highlight this multiplication table and center it. Let me increase it. Highlight this multiplication table and center it. Then make here black, then make it white. So this is how you can prepare a multiplication table using Microsoft Excel. Now what I just used is just the autofill. Excel understands pattern, so once you type 1 2 1 2, you don't need to type 3. Just highlight the 2 cells, come to the edge and drag. Excel will fill it the rest for you. So that's just basically what I did in this video using autofill. So it's not about Excel, most times it's not about the formulas. There are other features that you can use, especially Excel is automated. So please, if you are new to this channel, kindly please subscribe to this channel so that I can add more value to you. So just go to the bottom of this video and click on subscribe. So see you in my next video. Thank you.